Hey everyone! Okay, today I finally got my Money Miner Sarucas in. I've been waiting several days because the post office messed up. Anyways, that's a whole nother story. So I thought I would do a little unboxing because A, I'm super excited, and B, Solomon and Alexandria, the owners of Money Miner Sarucas LLC, they were so nice to me. They really helped me get my order straight. So I had ordered a 16 mesh set. It comes with 3, but I really needed a 20 mesh because I already had a 16 mesh that I ordered off of Amazon. So they're on Amazon as well. And anyways, I thought I would do this unboxing just to show you how cool these really are. All right, so let me show you the one I already have. I got this one on Amazon a while ago. So if you can see, it's very used, still got some little rocks and stuff in there. This is the 16 mesh. So, yep, they're on Amazon, like I said. And then let's open these up. So, I believe this one is the 20 mesh. Yep. So here's a 20 mesh. I don't know if this helps put my hand behind it, but there you go, 20 mesh. All right, the reason I love these is because here's my 16 mesh, right? Here's the 20 mesh. Look at this. They stack together, okay? So when you're out there at the Arkansas Crater of Diamonds State Park, that's where I use them. You just get your material, chunk it in, sift it right there. You can dry sift it, you can take it to the troughs. So I am so excited, so excited. You can probably even put these over a bucket and classify that way. All right, let's get on with it. So there's my 16 mesh. And then this one is gonna be, okay, that's the 1/8. See? I believe that's, yeah, the 1/8 is the medium size. So if you find a diamond in that, you got a pretty good one. All right. And then this is the largest mesh size, the 1/4. If you get a diamond in that, might as well retire. Just kidding. I'm really excited. I'm going to do a little demonstration. I'll take y'all outside and show you my little setup and do a little flips. The cool thing about these is you don't have to, scoop it out and put it away, put it in a different bucket, whatever. You just flip them right there. Bam, easy. And once again, shout out to Solomon and Alexandria. Thank you so much for all of your help. They are the nicest people ever, and you guys should really check them out. And I will show you a demonstration, show you how cool they are. Be back. I've already gone through these, so I don't care if, they drop or whatever, because I know there's no diamonds in that. All right, so as you can see, you got your bigger rocks right here. I'll just put that aside. And then you go on to the smaller mesh size. These would be great in the field for dry classifying too. To speed up the process, I'm not going to do the whole thing because this guy's about to bottom out on me. As you can see, look at that. That's perfect. And you got your little tiny tinies down in here. Easy. And then all the stuff you don't want, just dirt and silt. Bye-bye. So I usually go with this size to Saruca and flip. But now that I got all of them, I can do all of them. So I was using these. You see how small those are? This right here would have taken me forever with this size. Now these are great, especially if, you know, you're just going out there for your first time, you want to dry sift a little bit and classify. Great for kids too. There we go. This is what I am going to Saruca in my water right there. But yeah, I am not the best Saruca-er, that's a term. But Muddy Miner Solomon, he actually has a YouTube channel that he will teach you how to do this with his own product, and that's how I've learned. Like I said, I'm not the best, but I would recommend going and watching his channel and getting some insight. I think I paid around $120. They were having a sale, so yep, totally worth it. And yeah, I'm happy.